Listen up, because what I'm about to show you could save you hundreds of dollars and hours of frustration. Car scratches. Those tiny lines. The ones you see every time you wash your car. The ones mechanics say, oh, that's nothing, it's normal wear. Well, what if I told you there's a $3 fix that can remove those scratches instantly? And yes, mechanics hate this trick. You're about to see proof that it actually works. And it's so simple you can do it at home. Stay tuned, because this is a game changer for anyone who cares about their car looking perfect. Before we dive in, take a second to hit like and subscribe to Dr. Prime Longevity. I know it might sound funny for a car video, but I share simple, real-life hacks that save you money and time, and this one is pure gold. Don't skip it. So here's the deal. A few days ago, I noticed a scratch on my car door. Not a huge one, but noticeable. You know the kind. It catches the light, and suddenly your car looks older than it is. My first thought was the usual. Wax, polish, maybe go to a detailer. But then I remembered a trick I saw online. A fix so cheap and simple, you're probably rolling your eyes right now, only $3, and it claims to erase scratches like magic. Mechanics don't like it, and now you'll see why. The main tool? Toothpaste. Yes, regular everyday toothpaste. I know it sounds crazy, but let me explain. Toothpaste isn't just for teeth. It contains mild abrasives, and that's exactly what you need to buff out light scratches without damaging the paint. Think of it like a gentle sanding, just enough to smooth the surface and make the scratch disappear. Here's what I did. I grabbed a clean microfiber cloth. You can't use anything rough, or you'll make it worse. Squeezed a little bit of toothpaste onto the cloth, and gently rubbed it onto the scratch in circular motions. Take your time, don't press too hard. The key here is slow, steady circles. You'll start to feel this scratch blending into the surrounding paint. And don't worry if it looks messy at first. That's normal. After about a minute, I wiped the area clean with another damp cloth. And then I did it again, one more round, just to make sure the surface is fully polished. And the results? Honestly, shocking. The scratch was barely visible. In fact, in certain lighting, you couldn't even see it. That 3 trick worked exactly as promised. Now, here's why mechanics hate this. First, it's cheap, and they make money on detailing, polishing, or painting. Second, it works for minor scratches that people would normally pay hundreds to fix. And third, it's fast. This isn't a multi-step process with fancy compounds. It's a simple hack you can do at home in 5 minutes. But here's the important part. This works best on minor surface scratches. Those that haven't penetrated the paint. Deep scratches that go down to the metal? That's a different story, and you might still need professional help. But for those annoying little marks that make your car look older than it is, this trick is perfect. I tried it on a few different spots. The door, the bumper, even near the side mirror. Every single time the scratch visibly faded or completely disappeared. And the best part? No weird chemicals, no expensive polish. Just toothpaste, a cloth, and a little patience. A few quick tips if you try this at home. Make sure your car is clean first. Dirt or dust can make things worse. Use only plain white toothpaste, not gel or colored varieties. And always test on a small area first, especially if your car has specialty paint. And while you're at it, it's a good habit to protect your car with wax or sealant after this. That helps prevent future scratches and keeps your paint looking new, simple, cheap, and effective. Now I want you to think about this. How often have you ignored minor scratches thinking, I'll fix it later, or it's not that bad? You're not alone. Most people just live with it, and over time, those little scratches add up and make your car look older. But with this 3 trick, you can take care of them instantly. If you're still watching, you care about keeping your car looking amazing, and that's exactly what Dr. Prime Longevity is all about. Real hacks that improve your everyday life. This isn't some complicated YouTube trend, it's a practical, tested solution that works. Before we wrap up, I want you to do one thing. Take a look at your car right now. Any scratches bothering you? Even small ones. Try this toothpaste trick and see the results for yourself. You'll be surprised how effective it is. And when you do, come back and leave a comment below. Tell me which scratches disappeared or share your own car fix hacks. Let's get a discussion going. And if you found this useful, share the video with a friend who's always complaining about their car scratches. They'll thank you later. Remember, it's simple, cheap, and works. $3, a microfiber cloth, and some toothpaste can save you hundreds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hacks like this. Dr. Prime Longevity is here to make life easier, and your car just got a little happier today. Stay tuned, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one. Your car and your wallet will thank you.